In this video, we're going to talk about how you can do delivery walking on Uber Eats. So if you want to deliver using a bike or by walking, here's what we'll have to, have. We will need to be at least 18 years old and have a valid government issued photo ID. Now, how can we deliver on foot? When signing up, we will need to select delivery with a bicycle or on foot under the choose how you want to earn with Uber section. Then we will need to provide our name, social security number, and date of birth in the driver app. Now they do this, or we need to do this, so they run a background check. Then we'll have to upload a valid government issued photo ID and a profile photo, and we'll have to complete the background check, which takes about 3 to 5 days and is done by third-party providers. If your background check is clear, then you can begin delivering on foot. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.